Hi everyone, welcome to Careervues. I am Nancy. If you are a job seeker who is trying to do everything on LinkedIn to get more and more views, you are at the right place today. Because today in this video, I'm going to talk about the mystery of getting more views on LinkedIn. So let me quickly share 10 tips with you that would definitely help you increase your profile views on LinkedIn. Having a great LinkedIn profile is crucial to job searching today. Rather than paying money to any of the profile writer, update your profile yourself because nobody knows your career journey better than you. So without any further delays, let me share the mystery of having a great LinkedIn profile that would give you more and more views on LinkedIn. The first things, have you got your LinkedIn profile basics updated? Your experience, your career summary, your power-packed headline, your recommendations, your endorsements, or anything that you have lately accomplished, any certifications. Make sure your basics are clear. Tip number 2, use a visually appealing banner. Brand your profile with a professionally appealing picture. The size of an ideal LinkedIn banner is 1400 by 425. So make sure your picture that you're using is etiquette size and is a professional banner which looks attractive on your profile. Tip number 3, use only professional photos. You should look a matured professional in your LinkedIn profile picture. Don't post holiday pictures or any pictures that would just make you look like an amateur. Tip number 4, your profile summary really matters. Write something that would make others feel that you're actually interacting with the visitor. If somebody goes through your professional profile summary, they should be able to get in touch with you. But totally it's your call whether you want to provide them with your email address or your contact number. More approachable profiles are more likely to get shortlisted for any potential roles. Proofread your profile. If you have any typos or any spelling mistakes, it's a big turn off. So avoid those spelling mistakes or any of the typing errors. Read your profile 2 to 3 times, or the best way is to get it proofread by somebody. Ask for a profile review through your colleagues or friends so that they could assist you how you could represent your profile in a better way. Now, the biggest trick is using the keywords with intention. I'll give you an example. For example, you are in a sales profile. The word sales has to come in your profile at least 10 to 15 times. Make sure you put something relevant to sales in your endorsement. Your recommendation should mention something related to your sales achievements. Your career summary should mention something numerical that you have achieved through sales. Your professional experience or your previous designations should mention something about sales. Similar goes for HR or IT. So any kind of field that you're coming from should have the right keywords that you want to be searched for. LinkedIn very much works like Google. If you want to find somebody, you'll type those profiles. Similar things the recruiters do. If they are looking for a sales manager or head of sales or head of IT operations, they would put these things. If the basics are there in your profile has highly likely chances of being appeared amongst other candidates, and hence making you a potential candidate for any suitable job role. So LinkedIn keywords are a great trick that you must try. If you have any questions regarding putting the right keywords, do share those questions in the comments. I would be very happy to answer those questions. Additionally, I have made other videos on how to update your LinkedIn profile. I would leave a link of those videos in the bio. Do check them out. Now, under your contact option, LinkedIn gives you an option to mention your website. It could be your blog, your articles, or anything. But it's not necessary that everybody has or maintains a website. So in that option, you could mention others. People would not click on that option because they don't know where the link would take them. So don't leave that section empty, instead just mention others. LinkedIn has another great feature to increase your profile views, which shows features. I highly recommend you write some of the LinkedIn articles. Whatever your industry is, whatever is your expertise, make sure you put some articles on LinkedIn. Your LinkedIn content is easier to share and increases the probability of people viewing your profile after reading those articles. So utilize your featured section well. And you can also share your article on Instagram or anywhere on LinkedIn, on Facebook. It would definitely increase your profile views on LinkedIn. I have created a video of how to personalize your LinkedIn profile URL. For example, I would like to be searched as Nancy Chadda HR consultant. So my LinkedIn profile URL says the same, or it says Careervues. I keep on updating that. I have made a video, do check it out, how you could have an updated or customized LinkedIn profile URL that would fetch you more views on LinkedIn. So without any delays, create a customized address to your LinkedIn profile and be easily searchable. If you are somebody who is creating into your own media, it could be your own YouTube channel, it could be your any tips and tricks related to industry trends, or it could be anything that you want to share. Add a section on your LinkedIn profile for sharing your media. These things are generally shared by your connections with others and hence increases your profile views. So it's worth giving a try of adding your own media on LinkedIn. Do you know you can set your endorsements as per your expertise or whatever you want to show at the top on your profile. Rearrange your endorsements. Similar example goes what it goes for the keywords. If you want to show at the top the most relevant profiles that you've held, put expertise related to those profiles at the top, and you will be easily searchable and have more views. Keep on adding some good sections on your profile. Now LinkedIn has enabled us to share things in different sections. If you are reskilling or upskilling yourself, make sure you put your certifications in those sections. Certifications in those fields make your LinkedIn profile more appealing to the recruiters, and you will be coming in more and more searches. I hope the mystery of having more profile views on LinkedIn is being solved through this video. Do let me know if you have any questions. I'll be leaving all the links of the videos I've mentioned in my description. Do check them out. Do subscribe to Careervues YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the career tips if you're watching this video for the first time. If you're a returning user, do share your feedback. How are you liking my videos and what other topics you want me to make videos about? I'd be very happy to share quality content with you. Stay tuned to Careervues until next time. Thank you for watching.